Alright, I've been seeing a lot of dark academia things show up on my For You page. Even YouTube is recommending me hours of playlists, and I love it. The next thing for me would be to build a small dark academia wardrobe. I'm using the same black corset as last time, and the patterns used for this outfit are in the description. Here I've already made the corset cover using cotton lawn. Before starting, I'll sew the gathering stitches on the sleeves and the blouse panels. I'll prepare all the separate pieces before attaching everything together, so the cuffs and collars are almost finished. The skirt bit also needs a stabilizer for the buttons, then it gets folded to the inside and top stitched. The sleeves are gathered to fit the cuff and get top stitched around the edges. For the whole project, the preparing part takes the longest because attaching everything together is around less than a day. Then buttonholes are sewn in. They're about 2 inches apart. Then I'll start attaching the big pieces together, the bodice to the skirt bit and the inner collar. Here I'm attaching the sleeves to the bodice, and the way I finish the inside seams is with overlocking because the fabric is a bit delicate, and onto attaching the skirt bit. I'm gonna run through the cuffs with a bit of top stitching just to give it a bit of polish. The collar gets top stitched around the edges and hooks are shown at the back. In the pattern, there's supposed to be a button at the center here, so it can attach to the collar of the blouse, but I'm skipping that part so I can wear it without the collar. Like that. The video was kinda short when I finished the blouse portion, so I made pants that would fit with the whole dark academia aesthetic. I was looking for high-waisted pants and found a pattern on Etsy for palazzo pants. I'll leave a link to the exact one used in the video. This doesn't come with instructions though, so I was mostly staring at pants I had in my closet to try and understand how they were put together. The pocket that came with the pattern was the round type that's on the side seam instead of the front. How I did this was by attaching the back first, then the front sides. Then I put in the zipper, which was very satisfying to have work out as a sewing thing. I didn't have a matching one, and I didn't want to go out for a single zipper, so we'll go with the one in my stash. This part is hard to explain, but the zipper on the right is sewn in between the pants and the facing fabric. Part on the left has a facing sewn on before the zipper is attached. So here's where the right zipper is sewn between a facing and the pants. Then the left part of the zipper is sewn on near the edge of the facing on the left side so it can overlap at the front. After the zipper is sewn on, the front and back half of the pants get sewn together to make the legs. Then the pants are pleated and the waistband is sewn on. To finish it off, I added a button, pushing up the buttons, babe. To finish it off, I put a button in the center where it overlaps. Here, I'm using a blind hem to adjust the height of the pant leg to how tall I want it to be.
Here comes the
boy! Hello, boy! Welcome! Here he comes! There he is! Here comes the boy!
This is it's a lot. Like from the side, 1900s. These pants are great. All right. Ooh, now it's proper. Kind of. Yeah, this is a lot. Am I gonna do it on a regular basis? No. Without the corset, I might, since it's good on its own. I feel like a librarian though. Ah, yes, you haven't returned your books. Now we will take your soul. Whoa! Put a fake pillar here. Yeah, that's good. Let's see the other one. Get it. Get it, best friend. Oh, that's not the right one. See that? That is annoying. This is a different vibe. This needs to be tucked in. Hey. But I love the sleeves. And it's a lot more roomy. Maybe it's the fabric. Let me browse my books. Oh no. Might not be as good without the corset. But on a normal day, this looks like a cast though. I might make another one using the other pattern. But yeah. I don't like the Edwardian hairstyle though. Maybe I just need to commit to it. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, the entire project lasted about a few months. I think I have this lace fabric that I was gonna use to make more of these, but I think I'll save it for a different era project. So that was a long dive into making a few outfits. What do you think of the dark academia aesthetic? Although I love looking at cottagecore or more fantasy elements, I'm still looking for something to wear on a more regular basis. Let me know how your style has evolved recently. So for now, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.